Salam everybody, this is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. Don't forget about my giveaway. It's going to end on November 30th. Link is on the top. Today's halal stock pick of the week is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol TSM. Stock price is at $120.71. And the key stats are: it has a $629 billion market cap. It pays an annual dividend of $1.81 per share. The 52-week low is 94.62 and the high is 140.54. PE ratio is 30.27 and the earnings per share is $4.01. So what this company is TSM manufactures and sells integrated circuits and semiconductors. It also offers customer service, account management, and engineering services. The company serves customers in computer communications, consumer and industrial and standard segments in North America, Europe, Japan, China, and South America. TSM was founded in 1987 and headquartered in Hsinchu, Taiwan. So this is a Taiwanese company, and they are responsible for manufacturing a lot of the semiconductors. So on Wikipedia, it's described as a multinational semiconductor contract manufacturing and design company. It is the world's most valuable semiconductor company, the world's largest semiconductor independent semiconductor foundry, and one of Taiwan's largest companies. And what's really amazing about this company is that so many other companies that design their own chips require them to be manufactured by TSM. So in this paragraph here, it says most of the leading fabless semiconductor companies such as AMD, Apple, ARM, Broadcom, Marvell, MediaTek, and Nvidia are customers of TSMC, as are emerging companies such as All Winner Technology, etc. Leading programmable logic device companies Xilinx and previously Ultra also make or made use of TSMC's foundry services. So that's a lot of well-known tech companies. And a fabless semiconductor is basically fabless manufacturing is the design and sale of hardware services and semiconductor chips while outsourcing their fabrication to a specialized manufacturer called a semiconductor foundry. So basically companies like AMD and Apple design the chips and outsource them to TSMC for them to actually manufacture the chips so they can put it on the phones and laptops and other devices. So as a matter of fact, the iPhone has been using chips manufactured by TSMC. So this is a very essential company in the tech space. And as you know, here at Investor Shake, anything essential is something worth investing in. The fact that these companies depend on TSMC to manufacture the chips that they designed is crucial for the development of all these devices that are out in the market. And it's really good knowing that this stock is Sharia compliant. So let's take a look at the financials. So it has a $626 billion market cap, and the 1-year estimate for the price target is $143.79. And then looking at the analysts, well, let's look at the earnings first. So as you see here, year after year growth in revenue as well as earnings. So this is really good. And quarter after quarter, you see an improvement in Q3, which is really good. And earnings have been positive all year long, which is really good so far. And then looking at what the analysts have to say, it is labeled as a buy with price targets as low as $120 and as high as $207. That's a pretty wide range, but that analyst with the $207 target is very bullish. So that's good to hear. All right. And let's take a look at the stock price and how it has grown over the years. So let's zoom out and look at the 5-year chart. So as you see here in 2017, it was around $30 a share. And then it was in the 40s throughout 2018. And then in 2020 is when we began to see this company grow immensely in their stock price. So at April 6, 2020, they were at $48. And then in February of 2021, they were as high as $142. So now they're at $120 a share. So this company has had quite the run-up this year, perhaps due to the market realizing how crucial this company is for a lot of tech companies. And let's take a look at the financials. So on Yahoo Finance, the financials are all in Taiwanese dollars. So I'll try to put the conversions in the description. So as you see here, they are profitable as they have a net income of 565 billion Taiwanese dollars. So I'll put the conversion on the description in US dollars. And then looking at the balance sheet, again, it is in Taiwanese dollars. Total assets are at $2.76 trillion. And liabilities are at 924 billion. So that's good to see the assets greatly exceed the liabilities. That is what we like to see in a stock. So all in all, the financials look good. Actually, one more thing. Let's look at the debt. That's also important. Okay, so they do have 91 billion in current debt and 256 billion in long-term debt. So a little over 350 billion in debt, but that, when compared to their assets, is pretty minimal. So it's not something to be concerned about with this company, because at the moment they are profitable. So with that being said, this stock is currently at $120. It is a little below its 52-week high. And the financials look good on this stock. So I do currently have a small position on TSM because I think it is a very important company in the tech space, especially with Apple producing a new iPhone every year. They're going to rely on TSM to produce the chips that they need. So the numbers look good on this stock. Now, with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy this stock simply because I'm talking about it. Please do your research on TSMC And if you like what you see, consider adding it to your watch list. This is Investor Shake, checking out.